All right. Hey, welcome to this video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how HACD mining and bidding works. Probably even the main thing. Also, I'll explain also how HAC and HACD relate to each other and how you can get an HACD even if you don't mine and how maintain works also, all step by step for beginners. So first of all, let's walk you through the web page. The Twitter page. So for you to get to the HACD website, you can just come to the Twitter page, search the handle, which is this, and then click the link on the bio. By clicking it, it will redirect you to all the links related to it. Just give it a little time. Yes, as you can see, these are all the links related to the HACD Labs, the website, the Twitter page, the YouTube channel, and then the Discord. So for this video, I would like to open the HACD mining and bidding tutorial, which is here. But before then, let me explain what HAC and HACD mean. In simple terms, HAC is like the main currency of the cash network, and it is used for bidding, minting, and paying fees across the ecosystem. While HACD, which are sometimes called the block diamond, as you can see here, is different and it is unique, and it also acts as like an on-chain activity, sorry, an on-chain identity. It's kind of like an NFT. Sometimes people even mistake it for an NFT, but it is far different from an NFT. You don't spend HACD like money also, but you own it and it represents identity and ownership. So there are three ways to get HACD. First of all, you can mine it, which is why I am on this page for the tutorial. You can mine it, or you can win it through bidding, or you can buy an existing one from the marketplace. So coming here, you can see HACD supports only full node mining. Before you can start HACD mining, you need to run the full node and synchronize or blockchain. But just to let you guys know, these are all the steps to go through when you want to mine the HACD. But because of the HACD mining requires running a full node and using like an extreme CPU power, like a lot of resources. Mining also involves automatic bidding with HAC, that's the main token, and just so you know, it's not guaranteed that you get the HACD every time because someone might outbid you in the bidding. Just like let me just say, mining is technical and resource intensive, and yeah, I won't demonstrate it in this video because it's too should I say time consuming. It could take hours and all, but these are like the steps to go to mine it and all. So you just need to understand that mining introduced new HACD into the network, and you don't necessarily need to mine to get HACD. And just if you look at the special note here, you can see it says automatic bidding does not guarantee that you get the HACD, such as the following situations. If you read all those, you would get to understand it properly. So another way apart from the mining, which is all this to get an HACD, is to buy it, which um the are being bought from exchange. Let's take you there by clicking that link. You click on this, and yeah, you can also buy HAC tokens. Let me just take you to the different exchanges. You can see buy HAC on exchange and get the HACD through the trading service providers. You can click on any of them. I already have an account on this one, so I clicked on it, and it should take me to where I can buy HACD if I don't want to mine. So yeah, you can see this is where to buy an HACD. If I just want to buy, you input the amount I want, let's say 8. I don't really want to buy, but I'm just demonstrating, and then you buy the HACD and it appears on your wallet, which is this. You need this wallet before you can mine also. So when you click on that to buy, or you come here to buy HAC tokens also, which you would need. allow it load, and you can see this is the HAC token, and then this is the HACD token. If you don't want to mine, because you can mine both of them, if you don't want to mine either of them, you can just buy them, which is easier for a beginner also. So I'm just going to close those pages and then take you back to here. So the HAC mining, this is easier than the HACD mining. You just read all those, and I'm still not going to demonstrate this because the nodes take a lot of time. So I'll just close the pages, you read them and try to understand them, and I'll probably do a video later on about them because they are time consuming, so I'll need to have a lot of time at hand to do all of that. So coming on to this, let's come to, sorry, let me take you to where you can mine, or you can, yes, the dashboard of the HACD mining. So if I click on the HACD dashboard, this is where you see the mining dashboard. This is like different collections of different HACDs. You can see this is the wallet that is bidding, this is the highest bid they are making, this is the transaction hash, and this is an assistant tool. Like I said, step one, connect your wallet, which is this wallet here. You just need to um add the extension, which is money next. Add the extension, connect the wallet, select the bid, fill in the number of hack you want to bid, and then submit the price. These are like the total hack bid fees on the platform, and these are exchange prices per whatever you want to buy. If it's an HACD on USDT or HACD on the hack, and these are all HACDs. You can see the diamond, you can see brilliance, game of life, all here. So let me take you to the launch part where you get to see all the HACDs. Let's say you want to mint one now. You come to this platform. Yeah, these are all different collection, and this is like the total volume of HAC spent on them. This is the highest offer on each of them. These are the deals and the offers. You can see these are like the latest offers. You come here, you still see a lot of them, different ones. These are the time and all, and these are the recently minted ones, 70 hours ago, 17 hours ago. These are all HACDs that you can bid for or mint, and these are the different collections again. So let's just click on any of them. But before then, let me give you a little explanation of what this minting actually is. Maybe a little confusion. Maybe some of you might be confused, but minting does not actually create a new HACD. Minting is just like the process of creating items, also called stack items inside collection. You know, your HACD is just used there as an entry identity to sign and back those items, which are orders, things. So collections and everything. These are like themed group items on the platform. Each item in this collection is like a stack asset. So when you mint any of them, you're creating one of these items, not another HACD or not any HACD. So let's say I click on mint here. I'm being asked to input my HACD, which if let's say I bought one or I mined one, I'll just input the HACD here. They are like unique characters, which are all of this. You can see something like this. You just, if you have yours, because this is not mine, so there's no way I can use it. So you just click on mint, input the HACD here, and you click on mint. It's mint it for you, and then you get to own um one of the item in the collection. And let me explain why you're seeing 200 marks here. Um, First of all, now you can input more than one HACD here. Let's say you have 10 HACDs, you can input 10 of the HACDs, but that doesn't mean you're giving the item 10 times value because you're using 10 HACDs. You're just giving it 10 ownership controls, and just like a company now, which is owned by one person or is owned by a collective individuals, you know which one is stronger. The one which is owned by collective individuals have more trust and is being like controlled by more than one person. So each decision has to go through everybody before it can be, taken. So it's just like when you use one HACD, it's just one HACD backing the item. But if you use more than one HACD, so more than one HACD are backing the item, you can like get your friends HACD. Let's say you have 10 friends, you get their HACD, you put it here, then you mint it. All of you are the ones backing the HACD. It's going to appear. All of you are the ones backing the items, so it's going to appear in your wallet. If I mint it now, I can't mint it because I don't have HAC or HACD. So if I mint it and I come to collection here, I'm going to see all of what I have minted. And I think maybe let me explain just so you know, an HACD sometimes can be reused and sometimes cannot be reused. It depends on the collection or the item you're minting with it. If you can mint an item and then they'll tell you that that HACD cannot be used again. And that was just for mint. I think one of these should be an auction. Let me see. Exactly. This is an auction also, just like the other one was for minting. These are four offers currently. There are 14 deals, and then this is the volume, the average price, and these are all the offers that you can see here, per price and everything. This is deals. This is the highest offer here, and all of this you can see different items. So if I want to place a bid, I just click on place bid and place my bid of whatever and make the offer. There's a 3% fee. You can see you don't have enough HSC. There's a 3% fee which is being charged, and these are like little note about it. You just read through this and all to get details about it. So yeah, back to the launch part. Like I explained, these are all the deals. These are like different items. These are the collections, and this is a shortcut to get to the exchange. You can just click on resource, click on bit here, it takes you to the exchange, or you click on Hcash to take you to where you can get rare HACD. These are like a rare HACD. You can see these are different HACDs. If I want to buy an HACD, you can just get one here. This is 19 USDT. I buy it, and when I get it, I can just come to the launch pad, click on any of the collection or click on any of the item. When I click on it, I make an offer. This one is bidding. This is a bidding offer. So if I don't want to bid for it, I go back and then go to the collection, look for the one that is minting. So I click on mint and then I input the HACD I get from here. This, like, let's say this is one now. I copy it and I go there, I input it, but I cannot do anything with it because I don't own it yet. Until I own it before it can, be accessible to me to use to mint it, which is, you can see in my wallet here. I have to be like the owner of it to verify that yes, this is me granting access to mint it. So it's just easy like that. Like I said, the mining takes a lot of time, but these are like easy explanation to it. You just come here, read all through this. To run the full node, just click on this. It takes you to the GitHub page to download. Sorry, it takes you to a guide. This is where you get to go to the GitHub page to download all the resources needed. These are all the resources. Get down, just download the updated one depending on your OS, and then read through. Then you follow the steps and you run the nodes and all to mine for the HACD if you don't want to buy. But like I said, for a beginner, this is a lot technical for you. So it's easy for you to just buy the HACD from here or you buy from here, which are easier. So yeah, that's just it for this video. on my next video, I am going to like show you how to do the mining and possibly even show you by placing a bid by minting any of the collection or the item. I will definitely mint one of them, and I will definitely show you how to mine, but it's going to take time. That's why I can't do it in this video. So yeah, easy step. Come to the Twitter by searching the handle, click the link here. I'm just recapping again. Click the link here, it takes you to all the links related to HACD Labs. You come here, click on HACD mining and bidding tutorial. You will read all those. These are like the tutorial for it. Then HAC mining, if you want to mine for HAC, if you don't want to buy, but if you want to buy, you just click on buy. It takes you to different exchange. You use whichever one you have an account with. I have an account with this one, so I use that one. You use this one also, and you can see back here again, mining, mining, or buying and buying. So when you get those, you just go to the dashboard for minting. Then you click on the launch pad, and then you mint whichever collection you want to. So thank you. I'll see you in the next video.